Hey everyone, welcome to Last Fantasy Gaming. This is August 2025, part 7. I believe this is the last week of August. I will be doing the Patreon and for D&D, Warhammer Proxies, and also figures as well. If you do enjoy, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord down below. The Discord for vote for your upcoming characters you want me to have someone make for us for the Patreon. The Patreon, you have three figures out right now. That's for you guys up to grab for for $5. The more patrons we get, the more figures I want to add on to it for it as well. I think I already did print and paint, so doing Highland and a whole bunch of other stuff as well. I'm just trying to get a whole bunch of stuff of this get loaded before we get started. Okay, we did Beastarium, Highland. I think some of these are actual duplicates for it. I think we already done this too. This is like Age of Sigmar or Old World. They're doing what you call it, elves, wood elves for this month. If I can get it, Pharaoh elves for it. Oh, these are good for proxies for Old World and Age of Sigmar. If it freaking loads, if it wants to load, that's the thing. Get to that. So it just kind of got loaded for it. I think I already saw this in the last one, but we've got to revisit it because there's not that much Patreon for it. There we go. We got some horsemen's for your guys' thing. Overall, it's good. I have not got the actual the elves for the old world for it, but this might be a good proxy for it. Probably won't be printing anything like that for a while because I have no one to play with. And we also got Beastarium we actually looked before as well. These are like grim dark version of like D&D. If you have Dark Souls or Elden Ring board game, this might be a good addition to it as well. Some of the stuff that we looked at Kabi Slanesh, I was debating on taking parts of these and making my own kit bash of Demon Prince of Slanesh because the Demon Prince that we have now doesn't really kind of represent Slanesh unless you actually kit bash the living hell out of it. So we got Duncan Shadow. I think we already looked at this one as well. We got Troll. And we got a Giant. These are good for Warhammer proxies as well. I think this could be Age of Sigmar mostly. Ours and Guild, we already looked at these. I think we have to go scoot down a little bit more. There we go. White Werewolf Tavern. I don't think we looked at this yet. Um, August one will be. Wow, they literally locked the photos for it. Uh, now I just gotta zoom the hell out of it. Uh, Probably we can actually just go to post again or home. No. Well, they just locked the hell out of it. They never done that before. So it looks like I got Egyptian, Anubis, some cat goddess, mummies, uh, camp. I think that's a sphinx. I know there's sphinx with wings or without wings. Do not know what you call this. And we have looks like a panther, for it for this month. But yeah, check them out. Print goes on. This is good for Lord of the Ring proxy as well. For August, we got that that black tentacle creature that was in Moria, I believe, and the Two Towers for it. So this will be a good addition for that as well. You also got terrain structure for your game as well. We got some ruins, elven structure as well. So pretty good ones for you guys. We also got Goon Master. We got the handsome toad. Doesn't look handsome at all. Let me see what else. For this is gonna be we got hamsters, some gerbils, uh, minis, your bases, and terrain pieces as well for your bases if you're interested in that. Last Sword miniature is good for Age of Sigmar and Old World, mostly Old World. For it, um, I think, yeah, just gonna have to make it a little bit bigger because some reason they don't like it. So it looks like we got elves mixed in with Bertollis for this month. The Bannerman Queen's Duty. That's an elf, and that's supposed to be the queen with wearing a pasty. Queen Maiden. Yeah, these are going to be elves for your old world, looks like it. I think use some of these for the Age of Sigmar. Got some Bowmans. So pretty cool stuff for this month. Uh, Bala Natch miniatures. They do usually do D&D style, but it's more provocative. So I think we got the Witcher, Lady Geralt. So female Geralt. I don't know how I feel about that, but I can care less about it. I'm not too. I believe that was July. What it's going to be for August. So we don't know what August is going to be, but you can check them out. It'll be steampunk. So some kind of steampunk for August. Cripplegon Foundry. They stopped doing sci-fi on this, so it's gonna be regular D&D stuff. That's Lord of Hatred. That is August. Ship Stallion, Captain. Crippling God. Wow, they just locked the photos in now. It's very hard for me to get to see it. Looks like you got Mephisto looking character right here, and we have some type. We have what is that? Freaking, it's not Nagas. I forgot the snake people are called. Yantis. Yeah, we got Yanti. We got some tree-like Illithins. Some some werewolves, I believe. Some demons, some monster. We got some human. I think it's supposed to be a druid and stuff. It's kind of hard to tell for it, but here's the names for it. Yeah, Mephisto, Lord of Hatred. That's good. And you also get. Oh, that's from Diablo 2, from the Lord of Hatred one. The Hells has opened. That's actually pretty cool. That I want to get. Really bad. Lion's Tower Adventure. I don't know if they're still alive anymore. June 30th. What is coming up? Changing a foot. With the kid off, and I'm currently way off the holiday. Okay, so it's basically, not making it. Rocket Pig is closed. Yeah, close Rocket Pig. One page rules. This is 40K just Sigmar and more and proxies, I would say. So we got some type of a mechanoids. It's really weird looking mechanoids. Oh, it's supposed to be the steam dwarves, aren't they? These are the iron dwarves, the steam dwarves thing. Royal loyalty one you got, and let's see here. I think you're getting a lot more dwarves this month uh, for the game. There's August preview for it as well. This is probably one of the best proxies you can get, or Daka Daka is good too. So you got orc marauders and dwarves. That's going to be basically your thing. And it looks like we got some tiles as well. But like I said, it's a proxy. I do like those. But these look kind of clean for orcs. I like it when the orcs are like a lot more dirty and junky kind of style. Got an elven monk spaceship. Well, that's me. For me, for orc, has to be like junky and has to be like they've been scrapped together by just trash and stuff. I don't like it when orc uses a clean look because orcs aren't that smart, but it is whatever they want to make it as, I guess. Dragon Lake Miniature is another good one for Age of Sigmar and Old World proxy as well. The Echoes of Change. So we got the what's that? The blue horror, the pink horror. I forget what they were called. They were one of Zinch's stuff. Uh, Breath of Decay, Activate of Rot. So you're getting, it looks like we're getting some chaos, Nurgle like. Yep, Nurgle. It's some weird looking Nurgle on a blight bloat. If you do like that kind of style, this is something you might be interested in many ways. There's your Nurgling. They're more menacing than kind of cartoonish looking thing as well. But August 2025 pack. Let's look at it together. It was kind of weird. Another Nurgling as well. Right, bloat. There's your great unclean one. Huh. Well, if you're interested, go check them downstairs. But that'll be it for today. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check our page in Discord. Thank you guys very much. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.